that come back here. That's okay.
Breach it now and let it breathe so we can hear something happening. Just covering it right.
Guys, I'm breaching, okay? Go for it.
St. George Police, make yourself known! Chief! Chief! St. George Police!
Got a stairwell top. Go where these guys are. Go where these guys. We leave those guys right there. Hey, he's relieving you. Carter, Gage, get up here.
LT, where you need me?
On the back.
Chief!
Call out. Give command.
Chief! St. George Police Department! You need to step out with your hands in the air! Keith! St. George Police Department, can you yell out to me? We know you're inside!
Can you draw up what you're seeing from right there? That way then everybody knows what they're walking into, and maybe send it up to what they have up there, where they're staging.
That's my only hesitation with not
Keenan,
moving in.
will you work on trying to get in touch with somebody from Facebook, anything that can give us more details about anybody in here?
Yeah, I just asked possible unit to ask the victim about if they could call up.
Okay.
Eve! Cliff! This is St. George Police Department, please call out to me!
Well, there's the blood. So we at least came here, but the door was locked.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So,
Did he get here and then ran?
yeah.
Clint, if you're inside, call out!
Should be, I'm thinking right, it might be that corner unit over there.
Confirming 2 Alpha. Hey, hang tight down there.
Hang tight down there.
Which unit number is this?
1289.
1289.
Yeah,
Control 2020.
Marcos has already been doing that calling.
Oh, he,
Yeah.
oh, okay.
I think I don't think he's been able to get a hold of him yet.
Hey, who the hell broke this door?
I don't know.
Somebody hit it a lot.
Holy crap. Whoever that was, do never let us put the sledge back in their hands ever again, okay? Did we ever get contact with anybody in this house? I'm assuming they're
Martinez
gone.
is trying to call them, but the neighbor
Okay.
said that it's just a family.
Keanu, will you do me a favor? Will you get a card, put Annette Johnson's phone number and an incident number on it, leave it here, all right? And so when they get back, and let's just see if we can secure this up the best we can.
Do you have her phone number?
Annette? We'll just say contact Annette Johnson with St. George City. Yeah.
Just one of my business cards, you can contact Annette Johnson. Oh, you have one on you?
Yeah, of course.
When,
Investigation.
Yeah, Lee is right here.
am I good to turn this off now?
Good job.
Or
Thank
stay?
you for all you
Gardner.
did. Good work. I'm so
84,
glad.
this